Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use the cloth diaper. Each diaper comes with two inserts. This is the charcoal bamboo insert, which is the stay dry layer, and this is the night insert. Let's start with the charcoal bamboo. So the charcoal bamboo, which is also the stay dry layer, meaning that after the baby pee here, within 1 minute this top layer will dry, which is why it can help to prevent diaper rash. So for the charcoal bamboo insert, the clip here, just button it, and then the outside buttons, just button this way, and that's it. This is for daytime use. Don't worry about all the buttons. We have another video to show you how to button for newborn, small, medium, and large. And if you are using the diaper liner, just take one sheet out like that, place it over the charcoal bamboo, and this is what it looks like. What this diaper liner does is it helps to filter off the poop. So when the baby poops, you can just take this out and then discard it into a trash bin or just flush it into the toilet. And then for the inserts here, just give it a rinse and then you can put it into the washing machine to wash. As for the night insert, this goes into the pocket here. So this too will give you 6 to 8 hours for overnight. When do you use the night insert? For example, at night when you want an extra boost for 6 to 8 hours so that baby can sleep through the night. Or let's say when you're taking a trip to Malaysia for longer hours, then you can actually put the night insert as well. Or if let's say baby is a heavy wetter, then you also use the night insert. But remember, for 6 to 8 hours, only do it once a day. Because if you do it too many times, the pee always in contact with the baby's skin will cause rashes. So the recommended usage is always just, except for nighttime, during the daytime, only use the charcoal bamboo insert and change every 3 to 4 hours. Of course, when the baby is young, using the night insert might be a bit bulky for the baby. So for the first 3 months, just use the charcoal bamboo insert and wear for the baby with the clips right at the bottom like that. And then when the baby gets older, then you can choose to use the night insert. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.